In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Emmet and Cursor to write HTML and CSS way faster with shortcuts. First, open Cursor and create an HTML or CSS file. Emmet works by expanding abbreviations into full code. For example, in an HTML file, type and press tab, and Cursor will generate a full HTML boilerplate instantly. You can also create elements quickly. For example, type div container *3 and press tab, and Emmet will expand it into a full nested structure. For CSS, you can type shortcuts like M10 and press tab to generate margin, 10px, or P20 for padding, 20px. You can combine multiple properties too, like D, FlexJC, Center AI, Center to quickly build flexbox layouts. Cursor supports Emmet by default in most HTML, CSS, and related files, so you don't need any extra setup. This saves a lot of time and helps you write clean code with minimal typing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.